10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Alright, it's Alex back here with Mechatext, and today we are going over the Tello EDU app. Currently I'm on a Ventura tablet, but let's get into it. So here, this is the basic one, other than control. This is blocks, so there's motion, which you can take off and land, speed up or slow down, go up or down, forward, backwards, left or right, left yaw and right yaw, which is essentially turning like this or that. Curve to make a circle or just parts of a circle. Go to XYZ. Go XYZ. That means you can go up in a diagonal line at a constant motion. You can jump, which is just bouncing up and down. Or on this, since it's mission pads, you can jump from one mission pad like this as a curve back and forth. And then there's another curve to just go from mission pad to mission pad. Then you have rotate to, which rotates to an angle anywhere from 90, not 90, but 1 degree to 359. And the reason 360 is not included is because it's close enough to 0 degrees that it just doesn't get included. Then you can take photos, record and stop. And that's all of that. This is like Scratch, so you can wait 1 second. You can do a loop forever, or just have it to where it repeats a certain amount of time. Then you have if or. This says if bool. Bool is just or. I don't know why it says bool though. So if else bool. So bool means if it doesn't meet any of the requirements, it just doesn't go. Then there's exit, which exits the forever essentially. Then you can control lights, so the basic colors that you don't have to program in are white, black, red, green, blue, yellow, purple, magenta, and cyan. Then you can take this LED color. You can go from any color you want. Any possible color you can think of, it's there. Here, I'll just give an example. You can go anywhere from 0 to 255, so I got, I think, 254 if you do that, or you can just do it 0. That's how you get cyan, 0, red, 255 for green and blue, and then if you go 110 actually, you can get a very dark blue, but it's not completely blue. That's how that works. Image recognition, that's one of our favorites. So you can enable image recognition, and so you can set it to recognize shapes, different colored shapes. Currently all you can do is recognize squares and triangles, and they can only be red, green, blue, or yellow. And then once you detect the target, you can set it up to do a certain thing. And then of course, since there's enable image recognition, you can disable it. Then we have enable and disable QR code scans, meaning you can scan actual QR codes, which can send a message, or if it's just a QR code, it doesn't really do anything. Variables. Nothing really here. It's just to make your own variables, like if, then, if, else, different things like that. This is operations. Just a bunch of different things to put into these, that, and that. Extension module is especially fun. because you can display a pattern. I think I have a pattern saved. Yeah, so you can make it essentially a target if you really want to. And then Tello talent, just plain blue screen. You can make letters. And then you take this. And M. And then you can of course make it white, and then you can just take this off and delete it. Sensing, that's just different sensors like altitude, speed, different things like that. And then you can do set start pattern to set what it starts on. Display moving pattern, that means you can write a sentence, anything like that. Set Wi-Fi channel, that's to connect it to Wi-Fi, to connect another device to it to control it. Display text, that's another thing. Send custom commands to do custom commands, and that's it for this part. Now let's go back, let's go return, and time for formation. So this has the same basic controls. Takeoff, land, slip is just moving right, left, forward, backwards. You can go up and down. You can rotate. You can do flips. You can go to. You can curve. You can rotate again. You can jump. You can even turn motors on and off, which is especially fun. And then here we have LED colors for the extension module. You can change that. You can change the colors with RGB, as I showed you before. Green, that just makes it go in and out like it's like flashing, but it's slowly, like your breath. You breathe in slowly and then you release it, so it goes dark, dimmer, brighter as you would breathe in. So that's how it breathes. Flashing, just flashing. Brightness, you can make it brighter or dimmer. Text, display text. Display moving pattern. I explained that before. Just moves a pattern along, like you can do stars, different things like that. I'll display regular pattern like the TT logo. Custom commands like usual. Now first I'll show you, I did another video, Merry Christmas. You see the drone on the side of Alyssa Gomez in one of the last videos we posted. Okay, so here, I have it to where it takes off. And then next, it'll wait 3 seconds. Then it will move forward 90 centimeters at a speed of 40 centimeters per second. Then it will display the message on one drone, Merry, the second drone, Christmas, saying Merry Christmas. And then the land command is missing here. I took it out for some reason and forgot to put it back in. But there you have it. This is Alex, again here with Mechatext, and I'll see you next time.